Ready to excite your students with computer science and AI? This lesson is called Strike a Pose. Students will learn how to customize an AI classifier and program AI-activated events. We'll kick off with a big question to spark curiosity. How could you train a robot to follow your movements? We will explore the topic through the computer science concepts, AI, and data. The question is tied to a real-life example, how AI can be trained to recognize images through data. This makes it more relatable to both students and teachers. In groups of 4, each student picks a minifigure, which indicates their roles in the collaborative building process. The group will build a robot with movable arms and discuss how it might work. Then it's time to get hands-on with coding. Groups will open LEGO Education Coding Canvas, enter the lesson pin, and connect their hardware. Students create and train their own AI custom classifier by posing in front of the camera and capturing pose data. With simple pre-made code and their classifier, groups explore making the robot mimic their arm poses. Group members take turns, so everyone gets hands-on. 2 students develop the build of the robot, while the other 2 iterate on their code, and later they swap. Students present their robot, talk about their iteration process, and discuss how they created and trained their class. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to say, I can create a custom classifier. I can use pose data to train a custom classifier. I can describe how to create a custom classifier and use data to train it. This is the 3rd of 4 lessons in the AI and data unit, where students explore how computers learn from data. In the following lessons, students investigate how data quality and quantity can improve how their AI detects their poses. At the end, they apply what they've learned through an open-ended design challenge. All materials for this lesson can be found on the LEGO Education Teacher Portal lesson plan, ready-to-use classroom presentation and facilitation notes. No extra prep time needed.